Makeup tutorial for beginners. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. And this primer is from Zekel Cosmetics. It's the oil-free primer. Next is foundation. We are using this foundation from V Beauty. It's the long wear foundation. Then I'll spray my face. This setting spray. Or is it fixing spray? Then I'll blend. And I'm using the shade 02 to conceal. Next, we are going to use a brighter shade of that same Adventure Makeup Blend Pro Concealer to brighten up the under eye. Next is contour, and we are going to use this cream bronzer from Fura Makeup. I use brush. So I want to use my hand first before I use brush. Next is blush, and we are using this cream blush from Fura Makeup. I'm going to use my hand first, apply it. Next is to set the concealer. This high definition setting powder from Blossom Makeup. Remove the excess. Next, we are going to set the contour. We are using this compact powder from Zekel Cosmetics. It's a Skin Fit powder. Next, we are going to set the cream blush, and we are using this powder blush from Sonia Makeup. Next, we are going to set our nose contour. The cream contour we use to contour our nose, we are going to use this powder to set that cream contour. Next is brows. We're going to brush our brows up like so. I'm using this brow pencil from Davis. First, we outline the down. Then we outline the up side, but the up side will not start from where we start the down one. The up side will start from somewhere here to make the brow look a little bit more natural. We outline the up, join it together to the down one. Like so. Then we'll fill the inside. Brush it upward again. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do the other side off camera. Next, we are going to clean up the brows with a concealer. A little bit of concealer like so. Take the remaining one down. And I'll use this side of the brush where I've not used for the up side to clean the up side, so that the concealer on the upside won't be too much. I'm going to clean up the other one off camera. Now we're back. Next is eyes. Now we're going to use this concealer as our eyeshadow base to prep the eyes as eyeshadow base. Then I use powder to set the concealer. Next is eyes, but before we do our eyes, we're going to set our under eyes so that any eyeshadow that fall on our under eyes will be on top of the powder. So we are going to use the setting powder to set our under eye. For eyeshadow fallouts, then we are going to use it to clean our contour as well. For eyeshadow, we are using this eyeshadow palette from V Beauty. It's their Naked eyeshadow palette. We are using this shade. Yeah, that's what we are doing. Next, we are going to use this shade for the outer parts. Then we'll blend it inward. We'll do the same thing on this side too. Blend it in. Next, we are going to blend these edges with a clean brush with no eyeshadow on it. We are going to use it to blend. Do the same thing on this side as well. Next, we are going to line our waterline with a black eyeliner pen. Next, we are going to use this shade we use on our eyes for our under eye. Next, we are going to line our eyes, and I'm using the gel black eyeliner to line. Next is mascara. Next, we are going to dust off the powder and the eyeshadow fallout on my face. Next, we are going to set our face, and we are using this Makeup Seal Fixing Spray from Zekel Cosmetics. Next is highlighter, and we are using this highlighter from Younger Beauty, the Candid Glow highlighter. So for lips, we are using this Blossom Makeup Afro Chic lipstick palette. We're using this shade to line our lips. Next, we are going to use this shade So this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe. God bless you. Thank you very much for subscribing.